How you doing today, guys? Hope y'all loving life. I know you saw the opening of this, but I just had to show an actual close-up of this thing. Like, it is my all-time favorite one. I got my friend's turntable I'm still blowing. Hope y'all loving life. We're gonna do a little quick zoom in. Having a great day today. That engine there. Let's see this a little better. Still a little blurry. That thing, come on, guys. Like, check out that engine bay. It's just next level. I don't know how good it's showing, but it's still my favorite one. I just had to do another one of these, so we'll see how that goes here. Got the little turntable. Last time, the one thing I noticed too, I couldn't really see the interior too good in this one. I think now I'll do a little zoom in on that one too. Hopefully it'll zoom in a little bit there for us. See the nice little red plaid, everything in there. I just love this car. I know you guys all probably saw it before, but I just had to get a little close up just for myself. Got it on the turntable. I still got my friends here borrowing it. Let's see this thing shine. If it all fits in, hopefully. Again, I think this was probably one of the more slept on castings. I don't know, that engine detail, man, like on that thing, come on. If you're a Volkswagen, like, fan, fanatic, owner, whatever, lover, like I am, this thing is just next level. It's like super clean Mark 1 GTI. It's got an engine swap from a 16 valve, ITBs. Like, man, that thing is just next level nice. And they do have a new one coming out. I can't wait. I think the Subaru's the next RLC that just came out after that Porsche. So I didn't order the Porsche. I was just messing with the pop race stuff. I'm loving that. So again, I just wanted to do a little close-up, a quick one of this, because I don't think it did justice last time. The box opening part's fun, but checking this thing out is awesome too. I mean, with the interior, the engine, it's just crazy on this. See if it zooms in a little better for this one. Well, it looks like it's about as crisp as it gets. But either way, you can see the interior in there. Super nice. I just love this thing. And it shines, chrome's nice. That's the end of that one. Just kind of a little quickie. I just had to do it. Had to do it. Got the taillights. The only thing I guess I know, I see a lot of people complaining that thing when things don't have side mirrors on them. I get it. Especially on an RLC, right? So we'll see. The Golf livery's coming out. Instead of that red there on the engine, I think it's got the orange because it's got like a blue spectrum, like the GULF kind of livery racing. But that thing's so nice. Hope you guys like it as much as I do, man. And again, like I said, it's kind of a little hidden bit at the end of the videos on the 28th subscriber. I'm doing a little secret kind of giveaway. I'm not posting like a video about it. I'll just see when it gets to 28. Got a little nice little package of different kind of Volkswagens, everything from the Volkswagen family, Porsche, Audi, Lamborghini, and so on. So, right on, guys. Keep loving life. Peace.